Alright, so we're back with the Spendwise application. Let's see. You can add a custom name here, but this name will come from the user accounts which you set here. So it's not a problem, but every time you come here to save a new name, you will get that. And if you want the name to change, you'll have to restart the app. Same here. You can click that if you want to change the currency. You can put United States dollars, or you can actually just type it in yourself. It doesn't matter, but the app will have to restart. So we're going to view that and see what are the results. So when it starts, as you can see, everything has just changed exactly the way we want. But next time I want it to start, I hope it starts like that. It can return everything back to normal. Yeah, anyway, same thing as here. If you had like something that you spent on, you can literally write whatever you please into the criteria and it'll show up. There's something cool you can also do. Let's say you have your information here. You can click amount to see which one is the lowest amount you've paid or the highest amount, the amount of times you've taken money out, and the amount of times you have taken in. Same things as the common things, arranged in alphabetical order or random. There's also an about page now that you can visually see all the details. There is a reset feature that worked in the first video. The import feature doesn't really work right now. I'll bring it later on. The export feature is really interesting. So when you export your database, you can become creative with your information and have charts for people up there, or those interested in infographics, I believe. Yeah, so thank you for watching. This must be at least an idea of what this app can do. Eventually it's supposed to have more features down here, like its own business calculator and whatnot, but I'm trying to keep it as basic as possible and useful at the same time.